Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for BlueWallet. To sign up for BlueWallet, first of all, go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and download the BlueWallet application on your device. I've already downloaded the app on my device. Once you are done, you can launch the app open. Soon after you open up your app, you will be able to see this kind of an interface. Go ahead and swipe through the options and tap on the Add Now button in order to add a new wallet. Now, to add a wallet, you can create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you want to create a new wallet, go ahead and type down your wallet's name in the first tab and select the type for your wallet. You can choose between Bitcoin wallet and a Lightning wallet, and after you are done, click on the Create button. Now, on the next page, you will be able to see that it says your wallet has been created. You will need to back up your wallet. Write down the phrases in a piece of paper and tap on OK, I wrote it down at the bottom. Right after you do that, you will then be able to back up your wallet. Your wallet is now ready to use. You can send and receive Bitcoin or use the Lightning networks for faster and cheaper transactions. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.